Reliability and performance are crucial to meet your challenges, now and in the future, not just from your equipment, but also from your partners. We can support you in increasing uptime and managing costs with our high-quality OEM spare parts and tailor-made service agreements. With a global network of service centers, you have 24/7 access to reliable support, technical expertise, and on-site recovery, wherever you are and whenever you need it. We provide quality maintenance, repair and reconditioning for all major brands, so you can consolidate your services and simplify your plant management. But we know you need more than a reactive maintenance partner. Our digital service solutions combine the latest technology with human expertise to maximize the availability and performance of your plant with enhanced monitoring and analytics. You can ensure your staff are fully certified for safe and efficient operations with our instructor-based professional training and flexible e-learning courses. Our advanced retrofit and upgrade solutions can help optimize the efficiency and sustainability of your equipment and your business. As market conditions and regulations change around you, MAN PrimeServ is here to help you minimize your risk and maximize your potential for today and tomorrow.